Well, good morning, YouTube. Got a new toy for the shop, a 10-inch WEN drill press. Getting ready to open this bad boy up. I'm probably gonna end up building a stand for it because right now it's just a tabletop one. But let's get after it. So, took a little bit of finagling to get the laser to work, lining up, but I believe I lined that up pretty nicely now. It's about right. And this is where we turn it on. Functioning pretty good. Change the RPMs if you need to. Go up and down. And let's see. I want to do my nice cutting board, but do a little test here, not slinging the board everywhere. And there we are. Perfect. So, all in all, seems to be a pretty good product. Got it on the table now. Actually bought the accessory tabletop since I'm gonna do primary wood. Got to get the stand made. Obviously it's too high on my table. It's way up there. But I'm gonna have a freestanding stand that I'm gonna put somewhere in the shop. But we do have it installed and ready to go. So thanks for watching an unboxing of a WEN 10-inch 5-amp drill press.